Okay, company structure in SAP. Okay, for example, let's take a manufacturing company. Let's take a manufacturing company which manufactures toys. Okay, company is in Sharjah with warehouse in Sharjah. Okay, so it has distribution centers in Dubai and Sharjah. Okay, sales offices is Sharjah, and distribution centers can be geographical. Their segment is toys. Okay. So, for example, toys, stuffed toys, and mechanos. Okay. So now segment is your business niche, business vertical. Okay. Uh, you can increase the segment, for example, if they have export of toys, they will start exporting. So they will make an exporting company, exporting agency. So um, they can make a segment export instead of making another company. They can add export as a segment because segment is used for reporting. Segment reporting is part of accounting standard. Okay, accounting IS, GAAP, they mandate segment reporting. Since we have distribution centers, Dubai, Sharjah, this can also expand, for example, to Riyadh, um, Dammam, okay, later on, after like 1 year or so. So your profit centers can increase, they can expand. But instead of having toys, you can also have locations as segment, okay? That can be done as well. But again, it is up to the understanding of your client. Okay. So with this discussion, what we have concluded that company is manufacturing toys and it has segments, it has distribution centers, sales offices. Okay. And of course, it will also have a plant that is in Sharjah or somewhere else. They can expand and expand their plant to another city or location. Okay. You can have multiple plants. So in SAP, what you'll do, first of all, you make a mother company. Okay. Like uh, T59X that we have made. Okay. So T59 is, this is the mother company and company code will be T59 or whatever X. Okay. Mother company's reporting currency will be USD because this will require reporting in a unified central currency because you're doing exports to different countries. You can have distribution centers in various locations. You can have sales offices in various locations. So there will be a difference of currencies. Okay. And that will be called transaction currency. Transaction currency, transaction currency can be AED, SAR, USD, whatever, Euro, whatever. Okay. Transaction currency and can be anything, but mother company currency will be one unified. And company code, because it's based in Sharjah, company code currency will be AED, dirhams. So that makes segment reporting much easier USD. Now, Next step is, this is how you plan out a blueprint for the company. Okay. Now, once company code is made, mother company is made, okay, you integrate. You integrate company to company code. Okay. You integrate that in SAP. Once that is done, next step is chart of accounts. Okay. Out of chart of accounts, we need account groups, which is groups like assets, expenses, income, liabilities, and so on. Broadly speaking, account group, then we have retained earnings. Now we are setting up the whole structure after you have set up mother company and company code, and you have decided what will be the currencies, okay, reporting currencies for each unit. This is a unit, this is a top level unit, company code is the next unit, okay. Once this is done, then we establish plant, purchasing organizations, sales org, sales areas, distribution centers, sales offices. Okay. We said this. This again, master data. Master data. Okay. Once this is done, we integrate. Integrate again. Integrated with company code. Company code is integrated and plant sales org is integrated. Okay. Even purchase org is also integrated. With plant, we integrate purchase org, location, storage location. Okay. And in sales org, what do we integrate? We integrate distribution centers, sales office, sales areas. These are integrated. Okay. So in effect, the top node becomes company code. Okay. Now, once this is done, this is easy. After this, we need controlling area. A controlling area is basically, it comes under the mother company. Okay. Mother company is basically supervising controlling area. Okay, now controlling area basically is used for profit center accounting, segment reporting, cost center accounting, costing, product costing, product or material planning. Okay. And in precedence, segment is basically supervising profit center, and profit center is supervising cost center. Okay. Controlling area will have currency, which is group currency, because it is directly reporting to mother company, group currency, which is USD. Okay. And for that, we'll use the code 30. In SAP, we talk about legal, talk about valuation. There are three types of valuation. legal, which is 0. Profit center valuation 1. Group valuation, if I'm not wrong, I mean, if I've not interchanged this, group valuation 2. Okay. Currencies, company code currency is 1. Group currency is 2. Profit center currency is, sorry, yeah, it's 3. Okay. I guess no. Profit center currency, and this is will be group. Okay. And in valuation, this is interchanged. This is profit center valuation, and this is group valuation. Okay. This is how it works. Okay. Now, this is by standard given by SAP. Now, if we talk about hierarchy, mother company, then comes controlling area, then comes company code, then comes plant, sales, org, and purchase org. Okay. And of course, we also have personnel area, which is HCM. Okay. And I hope this is clear to you now. Okay.
यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा मेरा एक और क्वेश्चन है, ये जो